Welcome back. So we were discussing about alamat mudari and noon i'rabi. Up to now, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, sir, no questions.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Okay. From Mazi Ma'lum, what alamat can you find in different sigas?
In Jama', sir.
From very beginning. From the very beginning. What kind of alamat? Okay, I'm just giving you chance to discuss anything. I won't be interfering in that. Just want to know that how much means have you understood up to now? How can you guess something on your power
Right,
memory? Yes.
right, okay. With regards to the pronouns, sir.
No, not pronoun.
No?
Just to identify sigas.
Alif, ta, Hamza, ta.
As in order to make it dual, you add the alif to daraba, and to make it
Okay.
plural.
Okay. Dual. That is dual. What means muthanna, mudhakkar, or muannath?
That is مذكر.
مذكر
Muthanna,
مذكر
mudhakkar. So
مثنى
alif. We can say alif. Are you talking about alif only?
Yes, only the alif.
Alif.
Okay. Go ahead then.
And the waw is علامة جمع فمذكر.
Wow is alamat jama mudhakkar. And that is ghaib or hadir?
No, it's a غايب.
Okay. Go ahead.
غائب
Okay. Ta is علامة تاء التانيث. It's not the فاعل.
Is it only ta or ta is sakin? Ta is
تا
silent?
ساكن. تا
Ta is
ساكن.
sakin. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
That's
then
right. Okay. And the next one is
okay,
again,
this alamat is for what?
it's تاء التانيث, isn't it? To indicate that it's the فاعل.
مؤنث
Ta tanis or muannas.
مؤنث
Muannas
Yeah.
ghaib or hadir?
It's غايب.
Wahid or
غائب
muthanna?
واحد.
واحد
Okay, then
Okay, and the alif again is علامة مثنى.
okay.
غائب
Mm-hmm.
المؤنث.
Okay.
And the noon in ضربنا
Mm-hmm.
is علامة تاء التانيث, and it's جمع غائب مؤنث.
Okay.
I continue.
Continue.
Okay. ضربت. The ta is the فاعل, and it's مذكر, and it's حاضر.
Okay.
ضربتما.
Mm-hmm.
The ta is
Only ta or tuma?
no, tuma is مثنى,
Musanna.
but
Okay.
the
Can
alif is the
we say that
indicator.
this is common between mudhakkar musanna and muannath musanna?
Yes,
Are
it
there?
is. Yes, it is.
Okay. Then
ضربتم.
darabtum tum.
Yeah, tum. Yes, ضربتم. The tum is علامة الجمع for مذكر
Hadir.
حاضر.
Jama mudhakkar
حاضر.
hadir.
Yes, حاضر. And ضربتي,
Mhm.
that is علامة no, it's not تاء التانيث. Yes, it is. علامة تانيثي T and it's حاذر واحد مؤنث. And ضربتما again tuma is same as the مذكر
That was
indicating
okay. That is common between muzakkar hadir and muannath hadir, the muthanna. Okay,
yes.
then.
ضربتن تن is علامة جمع for مؤنث
Okay.
and it's what is it حاذر.
Okay.
And ضربت is two is متكلم مفرد and it's from male and female مذكر and مثنى. And ضربنا the noon alif is used for متكلم مثنى and جمع.
Okay. I'm not giving my input, but you have made very good effort. Okay, now I'm going to ask everyone some of the questions. Balagha. Balagha means to reach, and this is from Nasara Yansuru, the family of Nasara Yansuru. Balagha. Okay. Okay. Who is going to answer the question? The first question.
Depends what question it is.
The question. Everybody needs to be ready. Okay, I'm asking question. The three women reached. What will be siga for them?
The three what, sorry?
Three women reached in past. Those three women are these, means those three women, we are talking about them, they reached.
بلغنا.
Balaghna. Okay, good. Okay, brother Ayman, all of you males reached.
بلغتم.
Okay. Amna, I reached.
أبلغوا
Hmm?
أبلغوا
Balagha yablughu, I reached in past.
Sir?
Okay, what is it?
So is it بلغت?
Balaghtu. Okay. Now kataba yaktubu. Kataba yaktubu means to write. We will write. Who is going to answer? We will write.
أكتب نكتب
Naktubu. All of you women, you all women are writing or write.
نكتبنا. يكتبنا.
All
No,
you.
no, تكتبنا.
Taktubna. Okay. She writes.
تكتبين
She writes.
تكتبنا
She writes.
تكتبين.
She writes. She, female, that is not present. She writes.
Is it يكتبين?
How it can be
كتب
yaktabina?
Oh, it's not.
كتبتي
It's not.
تكتب
Taktubu. Who says so?
تكتب yes.
Taktubu.
تكتب yes.
Okay. All those males are writing.
يكتبون
كتبتم
Yaktubuna. Okay. Now dakhala yadkhulu. Okay, dakhala yadkhulu. All those males entered.
يدخلون
يدخلون
All those males entered.
دخلتم
All those males.
دخلتم
All those males.
دخلوا دخلوا
دخلتم
Dakhalu.
دخلوا yes
Dakhalu.
all those yes دخلوا yes
Okay. Okay. She will enter.
تدخلوا
Tadkhulu. Okay. All of you women are entering. Are enter. All of you
تدخلن
women. Tadkhulna.
تدخلنا
We will enter.
ندخل
ندخلنا
Nadkhulu. Okay. Let me see other words. Okay. Kharaja yakhruju. Okay. To go out. She went out.
خرجت
خرجت
Kharajat.
خرجت
Kharajat. You both male are going out.
خرجتما
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 Are going out.
يخرجان
Takhrujani. All those females are and means going out.
تخرجن
يخرجن
يخرجن
Yakhrujana. MashaAllah. Okay. Those males went out.
خرجوا
خرجوا
Kharaju. Those two females went out.
خرجتا
Kharajata. I will go out.
خرجت
خرجت
خرجت خرجت
أخرج أخرج
Akhraju. You one lady will go out.
خرجتي
تخرجين
تخرجي
تخرجين
Takhrujina. Takhrujina.
تخرجين
Takhrujina. Okay. Next. Sakata yaskutu. To be silent. They all were silent. Those all males were silent.
سكتوا
Sakatu. We all were silent.
أسكتنا
سكنا
Saka.
نا
Sakna. Sakata yaskutu.
سكتنا
Sakatna. Okay. So I hope that you were having fruitful session today. Is that enough for today? If you have any questions, you can ask. I'm here to answer your questions. Any questions from anyone? Okay, how many of you went for Gardan from while using different words?
So I only just started doing one today. I'll be honest with you, I only did one word.
Okay, mashallah, that's good. But you understood everything today. Any questions from today's discussions or the exercises or everything?
No, I understand so far.
Mashallah, you are feeling at ease with Sarf now at the beginning?
Yes.
Compared to
Yes,
the initial stage, yes, I'm feeling a little bit better, but there's always room for improvement, a lot of
Right.
improvement.
Then inshallah that will be done, inshallah, with the passage of time, with Allah's blessings and grace and help, inshallah. We expect Allah will help all of us, and we are sure that we are going to receive Allah's help every day, now and then, inshallah. So I think so far so good. So inshallah we are going to meet again tomorrow at same time with
Inshallah.
more to come tomorrow. And
So,
I will just ask you, keep revising with different words, all these gardan. Keep revising. Yes, what is the question?
no, you're saying that you were going to elaborate on the pronouns that I went through.
We will,
You said you
inshallah. Don't worry. We will, mashallah, you've done good job. We will do. I don't want to overburden you because, alhamdulillah, you've gone through Muzare, the alamat, and a lot of things. So you may be feeling overburdened. So that's why I'm not discussing them today, right?
Okay.
Inshallah,
Okay.
tomorrow we'll see that what more we can discuss, and we will take a lot of time, inshallah, right?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay. See you, inshallah, tomorrow with Allah's blessings. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa
Alaikum
rahmatullahi wa
salam
barakatuh.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.